The EVC-HOME11 installation is quick and easy. First, drill 4 holes. Then, use the spacers. Afterwards, add the mounting plate, which has 2 cutouts, where you can route the cable. Fixate the plate firmly in place with 4 screws. From the top, slide down the EVC-HOME11 base. Unlock the base in place with 2 screws from underneath. Lastly, route the mains and charging cable through the 2 grommets and proceed with the wiring. The ETI EVC-RCCB unit takes care of your safety. And this is how the wiring can look like. The EVC-HOME11 provides up to 3.7 kilowatts or 11 kilowatts charging power on single or 3-phase. And the EVC-HOME22 provides up to 7.4 kilowatts or 22 kilowatts charging power on single or 3-phase. Use the rotary knobs to adjust the charge current from 6 amps to 16 amps. Set the dynamic load balancing limit based on the used mains fuse value. And the last knob enables you to meter the consumption. If the house also has a metering unit, such as 3MEM80 Bevispo, then the charging station will adjust to the current power usage of the whole household, so that you never trip your mains fuse. You only need 2 wires for this connection. The UTP cable is a perfect fit for the bottom middle cutout. The mains wire can be 5 by 2.5 mm squared, but we recommend the use of 5 by 4 mm squared if the mains fuse is 16 amps. This wire thickness can be used for up to 11 kilowatts. For 22 kilowatts you must use 5 by 6 mm squared thick wire, where the mains fuse is 32 amps. The charging station also has a fixed or dynamic load balancing. There is also an optional EVC RFID unit, which works with an EVC RFID card or an NFC-capable phone. With the wiring done, all that is left to do is to put the cover on. The cover simply hooks on from the top at a slight angle and push it into place. The rubber gasket will provide some resistance, then lock it into place with 1 screw from behind. This is how you can do an installation on a wall. But we also offer an EVC stand, which can be bolted into the floor. The stand is hollow and it has a cutout for the mains cable, which you connect to the charging unit. The installation is then the same as if installing the charging unit onto a wall. But the EVC Home can, for example, be also installed in a parking garage. With a lot more space and cars to cover, having 1 charging unit per stand is not ideal. So we designed the stand in a way to allow installation of 2 charging stations. And if needed, the stand can also be mounted to a ceiling with the charging units mounted in the same upright position. Fast, easy, elegant. For more information visit our website.